I'm like, I don't know why it makes me emotional. Oh my God, I can go on and on. Hi everybody, I'm Brenda from Skintastic, and I just got my shipment from Metter Skin. Dr. Tina Metter is a doctor, and she is going to be sponsoring me for a couple of my case studies for the Skin Games. And I just got my box today full of all the products that I'm going to be using in my treatment room, and also what my client is going to be using in their home care. So let's just dig in and get going. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my God. And I love this. It says, well, hello there, beautiful. Don't you look fabulous today? Indeed, you are lovelier than a fresh spring morning. It's just, oh, we got this. Oh my gosh, this is the Apex. We have a couple more. I just love their packaging. It is just so exquisite. Made in Switzerland. This is a Swiss skincare brand. We're getting to all the fun stuff. These are all their masks. Love how everything is numbered in what order to use. That is genius right there. Oh yeah, this is anti-age firming mask. And this, I love this too. This literally comes with her handbook about all the products. Look at this. It literally has everything. Like, it has all the science, all the information about each product and the ingredients. Like, no other company has ever had something like this. I am completely I'm blown away with this skincare line. Dr. Tina Metter made this esthetician friendly, and to be able to share with our clients the important ingredients, the active ingredients, and just, it's every product in the skincare line to have a blueprint. This allows you to have a skincare blueprint for your treatment plans, for anything you want to treat. Dr. Tina Metter is sponsoring my age management and my compromised skin. So compromised skin for rosacea and age management. Then we have here another booklet. I haven't seen this one yet. Oh, this is probably newer products. But look at this is just, it's so colorful. It's fun, it's colorful, it's very informative. I cannot wait to dig in and read these. Look at this. The coloring is just vibrant. It reminds me of life. It reminds me of just a vibrant quality of life is what this reminds me of. And the products are biohacking the skin. We're literally biohacking the skin when we're using these products from Dr. Tina Metter. And the fact that it's a Swiss made, this is from Switzerland. They are eons, they are light years away ahead of us in the US, because of the ingredients that they use are all natural. What she brings to our industry is, you can literally tell every product has been carefully selected with the ingredients, with the esthetician in mind, and with our clients in mind. I've never seen a brand be so aligned. Metter Skin is aligned with exactly what I represent in the skincare world. What I want to give to professionals and my clients, this is totally it. She's literally poured her heart and soul into her brand. And I love it. I love it.